Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. The ADA chart continues to be in this larger diagonal structure. We can identify a 5-wave move to the upside from the 2024 lows. Actually the 5-wave move actually from the June lows, but also a 5-wave move from the 2024 lows. So June 23, larger 5-wave pattern in a diagonal. From January this year, a smaller 5-wave pattern within the larger 5-wave pattern. And technically speaking, I can only highlight it again, we have seen most of these waves play out, and technically speaking, the 5-wave move is complete. So the minimum requirements at least, okay, not the movement itself is complete, probably not yet. If it is, it hasn't shown it yet, but the minimum requirements structurally are complete. Okay, so we have the 5 waves to the upside, and that means we have to be very much aware that a pullback is due. But ideally, I'd like it to reach that 85 to 96 cent level before we get a larger pullback. And now let's zoom in and try to understand the risk and the structures here. So first of all, the wave 4 low formed on the 23rd of January. The move up is in 5 waves. I consider that an A wave. We had a B wave pullback and could now be moving up in a C wave. C waves can be short sometimes. What can we see here? Well, what I see is a potential diagonal pattern that's unfolding in wave C, an ending diagonal. Very unreliable count. Okay, I have to say that it's holding. The latest micro support area did hold as well. So anybody who looked for positions here, you have a profitable trade. But please be aware, I'm increasingly cautious about the general situation in the crypto space, that Bitcoin and Ethereum are probably close to completing a larger degree 3rd wave and could start a larger degree 4th wave at any point. That's possibly even a little bit like a crash then for altcoins, I would imagine. I'm not, this is not a prediction. I simply highlight to you what I see, that I see here not very trustworthy structures anymore. And, where does my target area start? Like 84, 85 cents. We've now reached like 81. See, most of the move is done probably. And yeah, looking at this last move up, we have seen a wave 1, a wave 2, possibly the wave 3 still in the making, then a wave 4 and a wave 5 still to come. And this is sort of what I'd like to see. Honestly, now, if we now start to see a break below that small micro wave 2 low there at around about 70.5 cents, that would be a first strong indication that a larger pullback is unfolding, either in wave 2, so that all of this is a larger diagonal in a C wave, and then as long as we're finding support in the yellow box, we could restart the C wave, or because we have fulfilled minimum requirements for this 5-wave move to the upside now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, this entire move could get corrected. Now, it's a bit too early to confirm support regions for this move, but it's likely going to be in the neighborhood of 48.9 cents and 29. Even though in the current market, it's probably not going to be a very deep pullback. So I don't want to rule out 29 cents, but I find it more probable maybe in the region 42 cents, maybe 36. So that tells you a lot about the need for regular profit taking. Yeah, but I can't tell you when to take profits because it depends so much on your personal strategy. Are you just trading for the short term? Are you holding for the bull market top and things like that? It's not as easy as that. If someone's trading for, I don't know, $2 to $3, maybe even $4, it's probably not wise to necessarily take profits, even though some profit taking after maybe a 50% increase or 100% increase, depending on when you got in, is certainly wise. Okay, so there, it's definitely interesting. But yeah, I think we are bottom line is we're getting close here to an overall target. Sorry, I think we're getting close to an overall target here that I communicated already a few months ago. So far, it's still following the roadmap. It's very choppy. Okay, not a surprise because this move up is likely also some kind of a weird diagonal, but as soon as you're dealing with diagonal patterns, oh dear, just be careful. And I'm not convinced by this move up. Yep, the support region did hold. It was already highlighted in orange, which indicates higher risk. Probability is not that clear. If this really is a smaller degree third wave that's unfolding now, I'd like to see it reach 85 cents next, then 87, and then get a smaller degree fourth wave and a fifth wave. So I keep you updated about the microstructure. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.